This is a 5T garbage disposal equipment with front-end pretreatment and back-end fermentation. After the equipment arrives at the site, we need to install the equipment in order. After positioning, we need to connect the main power supply of the device to the device. Connect the incoming power supply according to the prompts. We also need to wire the power supply to the pre-processing equipment. The power supply wiring of the pre-processing equipment is at the rear of the main cabinet. Here is the power supply for the pre-processing equipment, and the main power switch above. Connect the power supply in order. We need to carefully measure whether the voltage is normal. Only then can the power supply be operated normally. The control cabinet of the pre-treatment equipment is located here in the. When connecting electricity, you need to connect the power supply from the main cabinet. After the connection is completed, we can proceed with the preparation work before the. This is the hydraulic station used to lift up pretreatment equipment. Be sure to add hydraulic oil to the equipment before testing the machine. Here is the scale of the hydraulic station. Add more than 50%. The wastewater outlet here needs to be connected to a pipe to discharge the wastewater. The exhaust pipe on the top of the equipment is connected to the spray tower. Complete the exhaust operation of the equipment. After power on, you can see the following operation interface. The first knob is the operation button of the fermentation chamber. After opening the run button, the fermentation chamber will enter the state of automatic fermentation operation. If you don't need fermentation, just turn off the button. The second knob is the discharge button of the equipment. After the equipment has been running for a period of time and the internal fermentation is completed, the discharge button can be opened. After turning on the discharge button, we also need to open the discharge port. Stirring will automatically come out the ingredients. Discharging is finished. Turn off the discharging button. End of discharging step. The third knob is the pre-processing knob. Before feeding, you must turn on the pretreatment button to allow the pretreatment system to run. We can then operate the front-end pre-processing equipment. First, before the pre-processing operation, we check whether there is a switch in the electrical cabinet that is not supplying power. After the examination is normal, we will go to the front feeding and lifting place to carry out feeding operations. First, we turn the open cover button. Open the upper feed port. When the feeding door is open to the top, we can press the boost button. Carry out garbage feeding operation. Lift to the highest point and will automatically descend after the second. When the trash can reaches the bottom, if more material needs to be added, repeat the. If feeding is finished, close the hatch. Then walk to the touch screen and turn off the pre-processing.